Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, I am your computer teacher of LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, in previous video I have already sent you the explanation of chapter 3. Now today I am going to explain you the book exercises of chapter 3. Before that I will explain a summary of the chapter 3, that is working with Windows. So topic 3, working with Windows. Just let's revise the summary, then we will start the exercises. Here in summary, an operating system is a special set of programs. What is an operating system? An operating system is a special set of programs that provides an interface between a user and a computer. Windows, DOS, Unix, Linux and Mac are some examples of operating systems. A folder is a container that holds similar types of files. File Explorer is an application that lets a user access files and folders stored in a computer. Recycle bin is a folder that contains all the deleted files and folders. So this is the summary of our chapter. Okay, working with Windows. Now next is come here exercise. In exercise question number 1, first is what? Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. See here, which folder contains deleted files? I repeat the question. Which folder contains deleted files? Option is recycle bin, libraries, details pane. So in this correct answer is recycle bin. Correct answer is recycle bin. Come to the second one. Which of the following is not an operating system? Again I will repeat. Which of the following is not an operating system? You have three options: Linux, Unix and Phoenix. Can you guess which one is not an operating system? Yes, it is C. Phoenix. F-I-N-I-X. Phoenix. After that, come to the third. This icon provides access to the data stored in the hard disk. This icon provides access to the data stored in the hard disk. Option is network icon, computer application icon. Option is network icon, computer application icon. See here, the correct answer is C, application icon. Spelling is APPLICATION, application, icon, ICON, icon. Now come to the fourth one. What is a folder within a folder called? What is a folder within a folder called? Option is under folder, section folder, subfolder. So correct answer is subfolder. So A, B, C, three option is there. C1 is the correct answer. Subfolder. SUB, sub, FOLDER, subfolder. After that, come to the fifth one. Into how many panes is the File Explorer divided? Into how many panes is the File Explorer divided? Option is 2, 3, 4. So correct answer is what? Yes, A, 2. The spelling of 2 is TWO. So by this we have done the Question number first, tick the correct answer. After that, we will do solve the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here, fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, dash is a graphical user interface based operating system. Dash is a graphical user interface based operating system. It is what? Windows. Answer is Windows. Spelling WINDOWS. Windows. I repeat, WINDOWS. Windows. Second one, all the deleted files and folders move to dash folders. All the deleted files and folders move to dash folders. Where it moves? Yes, recycle bin. Recycle bin. The spelling is RECYCLE. Recycle BIN. Bin. Recycle bin. Third one is a dash is a collection of related data and information stored in a computer memory. A dash is a collection of related data and information stored in a computer memory. So what is the answer? It is file. Spelling is FILE. A file is a collection of related data and information stored in a computer memory. Fourth, dash button is the most frequently used button on the desktop. Can you guess which button is the most frequently used button on the desktop? It is start button. Start button is the most frequently used button on the desktop. The spelling of start is START. Start. Fifth, a shortcut key menu gives quick access to the related commands. A shortcut menu gives quick access to the related commands. Which menu? Shortcut menu. Spelling is SHORT. Short CUT. Cut. Shortcut menu. Okay, we have completed now the revision of fill in the blanks. After that, we will do the true or false. True or false. Here, in true or false, the first one is the File Explorer is an application. The File Explorer is an application that lets you access files and folders stored in a pen drive. Files and folders stored in a pen drive. Yes, it is? No, it is not. It is not accessed in a pen drive. Where it is accessed? Can you guess? It is accessed in a library. So it is false. So it is false. Okay. See here. Answer is given here. It is false. Now come to the second one. Shortcut menu is also known as context menu. Shortcut menu is also known as context menu. No, it is false. You cannot restore all the files from the recycle bin. Is it right? No, it is also false. Why? Because we can store all the files from the recycle bin. Then renaming means creating a new file or folder. Renaming means creating a new file or folder. No, it is wrong. So it is false. Why? Renaming means it's not create a new file or folder, it's change the name of the files and folders. Last one, fifth, that is Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. It is True, yes. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. So it is true. See here, now question and answer. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Define the term file and folder. Define the term file and folder. A file is a collection of related data and information. A file is a collection of related data and information stored in a computer memory. A folder is a container that holds similar types of files. A folder is a container that holds similar types of files. I repeat the answer. A file is a collection of related data and information stored in a computer memory, and a folder is a container that holds similar types of files. After that, question number 2. What is the difference between copying and moving a file? What is the difference between copying and moving a file? Copying a file means creating a copy of it and placing it at another location. Copying a file means creating a copy of it and placing it at another location. And moving a file means shifting it from its current location to another place. Moving a file means shifting it from its current location to another place on a computer. So now come to question number 3. Here it is asking, list any 3 features of Windows 10. List any 3 features of Windows 10. See here. Any 3 features of Windows 10 are: first is Cortana on desktop, second is Xbox app, and third is improved multitasking, and one extra I have given here, fourth one, that is universal app. So these are the features of Windows 10. Now next come to the question number 4. Describe the use of recycle bin. Describe the use of recycle bin. See here. Yes. Recycle bin is a folder that contains all the deleted files and folders. Recycle bin is a folder that contains all the deleted files and folders. Now last question is, that is, differentiate between the left pane and right pane of File Explorer. Differentiate between the left pane and right pane of File Explorer. So in this, the left pane of File Explorer displays the disk drives and folders. The left pane of File Explorer displays the disk drives and folders. Disk drives and folders. And right pane is present on the right side of the Windows. And right pane is present on the right side of the Windows. So by this, we have done all the exercises of chapter 3 working on Windows. We have completed all the exercises of chapter 3 working with Windows. Students, if anyone, those who have taken the late admission and not completed their fair copy or book exercises, so please, with the help of this video, you can complete your books and fair copies. And whenever the school is reopen, you must be submit to me for the correction. Okay? So please go through on it, and those who have completed, please learn by heart all these question and answers, exercises, it will be beneficial for you for the exam. So okay, thanks for listening me. We will meet in the next video with the next topic, that is chapter 4. So before that, please go through on it all the chapters of 1, 2 and 3, and please learn it by heart all the exercises. And those who have not completed their fair copy, complete it all the chapters 1, 2 and 3 one by one. I will send all the chapters exercises, so you must be easy to complete your books and copies. Some students even not having the books also, they can also complete their fair copy with the help of this video. I will send you the PDF notes. With the help of that PDF notes, you can easily able to complete your fair. So thanks for me listening. We will meet in the next video. Bye. See you.